Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by checking eligibility and immediately take the first actionable steps. Verify the item model and condition, then document serial numbers. Once documented, back up your data and remove personal accounts so you don't lose access later. Make sure you take clear photos and collect receipts or original accessories now. This increases trust and payout. You're starting the process, not theorizing. Complete these concrete prep steps before moving to offers and negotiations. Next, input precise details and upload your photos. Honesty shortens negotiation time. Describe cosmetic and functional issues clearly, then request or solicit multiple offers from platforms and buyers to compare trade-in values. Once you have bids, negotiate using concrete facts like estimated repair costs, recent market comps, and how quickly you need to sell. Keep communication concise and confident. Label flaws but highlight positives. If needed, counteroffer with a small price gap to test flexibility. That often closes the deal. Finish by confirming payment method, any tax forms or return windows, and clear timelines for payout. Once accepted, pack securely, insure for the declared value, and ship with tracking so you can prove transit. Make sure to upload tracking and any shipping photos. If something goes wrong, a dispute over condition or missing payment, immediately gather photos, messages, and receipts and submit them to platform support. Escalate with evidence and request a formal review. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.